Hey guys, welcome back to Imaginate. It's me, Miss Donut. As you know, I am quite shocked. My video of Mac screen, how to change your Mac screensaver, got many views. That too in a record time. It's really shocking, and that made me make a new video. So yeah, please enjoy this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. So today we are going to make a simple planner, a digital planner. All you need is a computer, whatever, phone, whatever you have. So all you need to do is go to go to the website notion.so. I'll link it in the description. You can do this with me or you can do this later on. So yeah, and you have to add a page. This is how your screen will look like. All you need to do is click on this button, add a page. You will see something like this. So here I'm just going to give the title as planner, and I'm going to add this icon. And now this is method number 1. So let's start with method number 1. This is the one which works for me. So just click on the slash option. This type slash for commands. You can see that. So just type that key and you'll see something like this. So I am going to go with heading 3. I'm going to type here today. And I'm going to change the color to red because today I have to do something today. And then I'm just going to press enter and again pressing the slash option and clicking on to do list. So here you can just type, I'm just giving an example. So for example, these are 3 tasks. You can just take it, and then if you are going to need this later on, like if you are thinking, have I done this task, so I can go back to my planner and check it. So yeah, and this was the first method. Now let me add something to this method. Just click on the slash option and click on heading 3, and I'm going to type today, tomorrow, and I'm going to type another one with all these are heading 3. Okay, all these are heading 3. Today, tomorrow, and later. So I'm going to change these colors, and then we have to make this into columns. So all you need to do is, there are 6 dots right here. Just press on those and you'll see a little blue line, if you can see, and just leave your mouse. Do the same with later. There you go, you're done. So now there are 3 different columns. Look at this, there are 3 different columns you can type in. So yeah, that was the first method. Let's do the second method. So the second method is also very simple. You can do a weekly or weekly planner. So I'm just going to click on the slash option and we're going to do the same thing. Only thing we have to do is type Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Okay, so here I've done a 5-day planner. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to put 2 in a row. So then I can just press enter and I can do my to-do list here. And when the week gets over, you can just create a new block, a whole new block. You can just copy it and paste it again. So that's very easy. So I think that's it. Tell me, just comment down below what the next video should be. Tell me what I should do next and I'll think about it and maybe I'll take your idea. So goodbye and see you in the next video.